When I travel to another country, one place I always need to go is a restaurant. Eating is a part of life, and using English in a restaurant is something many beginners feel nervous about. I felt the same at the beginning. I was worried about not understanding the waiter, or not knowing how to say what I wanted. But over time, I learned that restaurant English is actually very simple. You do not need difficult words. You just need clear and polite sentences. Let me tell you how I usually use English in a restaurant. When I walk into a restaurant, the first thing I hear is a greeting. The staff often smiles and says something like, "Hello," or "Good evening." Sometimes they ask, "Table for one?" or "How many people?" If I am alone, I simply say, "One, please." If I am with a friend, I say, "Two, please." This is very easy, and you do not need to think too much. After that, they may ask, "Do you have a reservation?" If I do not, I just say, "No, I don't." If I do, I say, "Yes, I have a reservation." That is enough. Simple answers are totally okay. Then they show me to my table. I usually say, "Thank you." This is a very useful sentence. I say it many times in a restaurant. Saying thank you makes everything feel more comfortable. When I sit down, the waiter often brings me a menu. Sometimes they say, "Here is the menu," or "Please take a look." I open the menu and take my time. If I need more time, I can say, "Can I have a few more minutes?" This sentence is very helpful. I do not need to hurry. If the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" and I am not ready, I just say, "Not yet." Or I say, "I need a little more time." That is polite and natural. When I am ready, I start ordering. I usually begin with a simple sentence like, "I'd like," or "Can I have?" For example, I say, "I'd like the chicken, please," or "Can I have the beef pasta?" These sentences are very common and easy to remember. Sometimes I want to ask about the food. I might say, "What do you recommend?" or "What is popular here?" The waiter usually explains, and even if I do not understand everything, I listen for keywords like chicken, beef, spicy, or sweet. If I have a question, I keep it simple. I say things like, "Is this spicy?" or "Does this have cheese?" Short questions are fine. You do not need perfect grammar to be understood. When it comes to drinks, the waiter often asks, "What would you like to drink?" I can answer with, "Water, please," or "I'll have a coffee." If I want no ice, I say, "No ice, please." If I want hot water, I say, "Hot water, please." Simple and clear. Sometimes the waiter asks, "Is everything okay?" while I am eating. I usually smile and say, "Yes, it's good," or "Everything is great." If there is a problem, I can say, "Sorry, this is cold," or "I think this is not what I ordered." Saying sorry first sounds more polite. When I finish eating, I often want to pay. I look for the waiter and say, "Excuse me." This is a very important phrase. Then I say, "Can I have the bill, please?" In some countries, they say check instead of bill. Both are okay. If I want to pay by card, I say, "Can I pay by card?" If I want to pay cash, I say, "I'll pay cash." Again, very simple. Before I leave, I usually say, "Thank you," or "Thank you very much." Sometimes I also say, "The food was very good." This is a nice way to end the experience. What I learned from all these restaurant experiences is that English does not need to be perfect. In a restaurant, people expect simple communication. They listen carefully, and they want to help you. As long as you speak slowly, clearly, and politely, you will be understood. If you want to practice restaurant English, you can practice at home. Imagine you are in a restaurant. Speak out loud. Say the sentences. Practice ordering food, asking questions, and paying the bill. Even 1 minute a day can make a big difference. Over time, you will feel more confident. One day, you will walk into a restaurant, speak English naturally, and enjoy your meal without stress. And when that happens, you will realize that learning English can be simple, useful, and even fun.